Skin Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. In this channel, I provide beauty contents, DIY skincare recipes, reviews on products that you guys want me to talk about, and generally everything that has to do with your skin and beauty in general. Now we're going to be adding more things to the channel as we go on, or we're going to create another channel. We have a backup channel which I'm going to leave the link here for you guys to go there and subscribe to that channel, because on that channel I'm going to be putting lifestyle content, I'm going to be putting social media, I'm going to be putting building your YouTube channel and social media platforms. So it's going to be a very fun and interesting channel. Now this is our question and answer segment, and I have said that I will be doing this live, but unfortunately I haven't hit the 1,000 subscriber mark yet, so I can't go on live. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you want to leave everything you're doing now, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video. And also leave me your questions in the comment section so that we can compile them and answer them. I'm going to go over to my messages that you guys have left me. I'm going to be answering questions from 1 week ago, say from 6 days ago. So we're going to dive right into it. So our first comment was from Loma. Hello Loma. You said, hi dear, I really liked this video, thank you, keep up the good work. Thank you so much Loma. And this video was on how to make cucumber hydrosol. If you haven't seen that video, you want to go and check it out. Our next question is from Bukola. Hey Bukola. Bukola says, your video is so explanatory, good job. Thank you very much. Gloria says, please can I get your WhatsApp number? Yes, my WhatsApp, I think I replied to you already. I sent you my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is in the description bar. You can reach me on WhatsApp through that number, but please don't bombard me with unnecessary questions, because if you have a question, just if you're sending me a message on WhatsApp, it has to do with buying my ebook, or it has to do with, you know, a training, or don't send me a message on WhatsApp concerning a recipe that you're trying to do if you haven't gotten my ebook or you were not in my training. So please, if you have a question, leave your question in the comment section. I will take your questions. If you have any questions about our ebooks, our trainings, and all of that, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. But anything other than that, please leave your comment in the comment section and I will answer you. Dollar Money says, how many whitening powder can one put in her lotion? Now it depends on the kind of lotion you're doing. If you are doing a whitening lotion, it also will depend on what percentage you decide to use. If you're doing a pro-mix method, you can do the 30 60 10, or you do the 10 30 60. If you want to know what this is, go and buy the ebook. If you want to know what this is, what I'm saying means, go and buy the ebook. The ebook is 5,000 naira. You can use the link in the description to buy the ebook, or send me a message on WhatsApp to buy it directly from me, or you can buy it from my website. So how many whitening powders you can use depends on you. I like to use nothing more than 4 whitening actives at once. Now if I'm incorporating serums and other things, that's fine. Now remember that you want to use whitening actives that are compatible. So even if you use just 2 whitening actives in your formulation and they are very compatible, they will give you the flawless or the results that you want. You don't need to pack 10 whitening actives into your formulation before you will get your result. If you know your ingredients and you know how to use them, at what time to use them, you know, all of that, you will get the results that you want. You don't have to use more than 5 or 4 actives. So 4 active whitening powder is ideal, is okay. Anything more than that, that's extra. So, and I don't think you want to add so much just for, you know, if you want to boost the whitening effect, you can add serums to your formulation. But if you want to, you know, go overboard, just don't do anything more than 4, please. Moving on, Ebele Nadozie, hi. She says, hi boss, in this Snow White cream, did you use whitening base cream or plain base cream? And please, can you do a video on how to dissolve whitening actives? Okay, Ebele, in this video, what video is that? Well, I can't really tell what I used in this video. Let me check the ingredients, then I will know what I put in there. So the base cream I used for this recipe is my plain base. So yes, I used a plain base for this, a plain moisturizing base for this, and I always use my own base cream. I don't use over-the-counter base or over-the-counter creams. I hardly do that. I used my own base cream, and you can buy my base cream. You can buy the plain base, you can buy the whitening base. You can also request for a custom base that will be made specially for you. So if you want that, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. That's what my WhatsApp number is there for. It's not for you to call me at midnight, please. Yeah. Okay. The next question is from Frank Pat. Frank Pat said, good evening sis. Good evening. She said, can I use rice powder for body scrub? Yes, of course, you can use rice powder for your body scrub. Rice powder is a very, very good ingredient when it comes to skincare formulations, and especially when you want to use it for a scrub. Now, I'm going to leave a link here. I did a video on how you can get a glowing glass skin. I did that video, I think 2 days ago. So I'm going to leave a link here for you to see that rice recipe. Now you can use that recipe as a scrub. You can also use it as a mask. You can use it as a cream. Go there, watch that video, so you have an idea on how you can use your rice powder or rice flour. The next question is from okay, Ebella, you said I should do a video on how to dissolve whitening powder, whitening active. I think I did a video on that. I'm going to leave a link. You can check that here. I did a video on that. Chloe says, love this. Oh, thank you so much, Chloe. Thank you so much. We're trying to improve. We're trying to serve you better. Trying to bring you great content. We're still evolving. The more I do this, the more I get ideas on how to set up better. So expect more changes, more beautiful backgrounds and stuff. Chivik Ada says, love your hair. Oh, thank you. I don't know which of the hair that I was wearing there, but thank you. Gift Ikechuku says, you look amazing. Thank you so much, Gift. She also said it's a lovely background. Thank you. She also asked, is brown licorice good in lotion? Now, it is it's a very, very good ingredient. I did a video on how 5 actives that you can use for your formulation, and licorice powder is one of those actives. I'm going to leave the link here as well. You can watch the video here to see that video. Yes, licorice root powder, you can add it in your lotion, but the only problem is when you add it in your lotion, it tends to give your lotion that herbal look. Your lotion looks very, very herbal. So I like to add it in my soaps, and then I use the powder, the white form, in my creams. Topper says the background is nice and you are looking really nice. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys. Very soon I'm going to start putting out makeup videos. So I'm going to do my first makeup video. Not my first, I've actually done makeup videos before on YouTube, but for some reason I lost the login for that channel, so I can't even use that channel anymore. So I'm going to do my first makeup video on my other channel. So if you haven't subscribed to that channel, go now and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, go now, subscribe to that channel, because we're going to be having so much fun. This channel is more of business, more of, you know, teaching you guys. Okay guys, so you don't even know what the story about this video is. It's 3 a.m. in the morning and I started filming at about 6 or 7 p.m. But anyways, Lauren is asking, can you DIY a sharp face cream? Yes, that's actually going to be my next video. So you want to make sure that you turn on post notifications so that you will be notified once that video comes up. I think I'm going to, that's like my next video. So after Monday, I'm going to post that on Wednesday. So definitely check that video out. Frida says thumbs up. Thank you so much, Frida. Gift is asking, please, the mulberry powder, what measurement did you use? Well, I think all the ingredients are listed and the measurements are also listed in the description bar. But if you can't find it, that means you're actually telling me to do a video using these ingredients. So I'm going to make this Snow White whitening cream again, and I'm going to incorporate mulberry and bearberry and other things for you guys. So definitely check that video out. It's going to be this week as well, so check that video out. And then Tessie says your WhatsApp number is incorrect. I will check that and make sure that it's correct. I'm sorry guys if you are having issues getting to me, but please, I just want to make something clear. Let's not get carried away with the fact that, oh, I left my number in my description. I'm just trying to be as accessible as possible, but a lot of you have started abusing the fact that this number is there. So if you want to ask a question and you want to get to me on WhatsApp, make sure that it is only about my ebook or my training. Any other question, please leave the question in the comment section and I will answer them on this segment of question and answer. So please, let's not spoil the relationship that we have right now. So, you know, let's respect ourselves and try to respect my space as well. I hope you guys, I don't know if you guys are feeling the background today. Oh, my light has fallen down there, but it still looks good. I hope you guys are feeling the background. Like, I just made this before I started filming this video, so if you want to see how I make these things, these I actually downloaded from the internet and then I made it into, you know, if you want to see how I make these stuff, like I'm a proper DIY girl, I'm a DIY queen. I love to do stuff by myself. I love to create stuff out of things that I have handy at home. So if you would like to see more of those kind of videos, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. This is good. This is my lifestyle channel. On there, I'm going to be teaching you how you can do so many stuff. Even if you want to learn how to set your lighting to this setting, this is 3 a.m. in the morning and I still have this amount of brightness. If you want to see how I make my setting, I create my setting and I create my filming environment, you want to definitely subscribe to that channel. On that channel, I'm going to be teaching you a lot about filming, about editing, how you can start your own YouTube channel, how you can grow on YouTube, how you can edit your videos, how you can do a lot of stuff. Also going to be teaching you how to, you know, do DIY crafts like this, how to, you know, make your own wigs, how you can install your own wigs by yourself. There are a whole lot of things that are going to be going on that channel, so you definitely want to be subscribed to that channel. Take this time, hit the subscribe button on that channel, and then, you know, you will make me so happy. So I don't want to talk too much. You guys can see I'm already really sleepy. I have been waiting for, I have filmed this video. This is the 4th time I'm filming this video because my neighbor's generator was on and it was making a whole lot of noise. And after I filmed and I watched the video, I didn't like the noise. I tried to film again, and then finally he is up and he has put off his generator. So I decided to just do the second part of this video and just get it over with. So you guys see the trouble I go through. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you watch my videos to the end. That's the only thing that I require from you. That's all. I'm not asking you to give me money. All I'm asking is just watch my videos to the end. Give me a thumbs up, comment on my channel.